What if I told you that Shah Rukh Khan's most ambitious role was also his most controversial? In 2018, King Khan played a man with dwarfism in Zero. The film was hyped, the visuals were revolutionary, and expectations? Sky high. But when the movie finally hit theaters, it flopped. Badly. And for the first time in his career, Shah Rukh took a step back from acting, no lead roles, no films, for nearly 5 years. But now, Zero is back in the spotlight, and not in a good way. Veteran actor M.M. Farooqui, aka Lilliput, just called out Shah Rukh Khan, and the words he used? Brutal. He said, and I quote, "You are not even the dust of Kamal Hassan's feet." Let that sink in. Lilliput didn't just critique SRK's acting, he obliterated it. So what went so wrong with Zero? Lilliput says the film failed because it treated dwarfism as a visual trick, not a lived reality. He explained that dwarfs live just like anyone else, they laugh, cry, love, dream. But in Zero, Shah Rukh was made to look small using VFX. The problem? The audience never saw a character, they only saw a superstar pretending. He even compared it to Kamal Hassan's legendary performance in Appu Raja. Kamal, he said, studied every physical nuance of a person with dwarfism, shorter fingers, facial structure, gait, posture. SRK, in contrast? No homework, said Lilliput. Do you agree? Was Shah Rukh's portrayal in Zero hollow because of a lack of research, or are fans being too harsh? And then comes the question of intent. Should a superstar with no lived experience play such a sensitive role at all? Or is acting simply about transformation, no matter who you are? Lilliput even blamed SRK's massive stardom for ruining the illusion. "We're not watching a dwarf," he said. "We're watching a hero pretending to be one." And here's the real shocker. Despite Zero's failure, Shah Rukh bounced back like never before, with Pathaan, Jawan, and Danki, all in 1 year. He even won the National Award for Best Actor for Jawan, sharing the honor with Vikrant Massey. So what does this mean for SRK's legacy? Can one bad role truly dent the crown of Bollywood's king? Was Zero a bold risk that just didn't land, or was it a mistake that should never have happened? And more importantly, do you think Shah Rukh copied Kamal Hassan and fell flat? Drop your thoughts in the comments, we are reading them all. Because whether you loved Zero or hated it, one thing is clear, the debate around it is far from over.